Okay, example 3 from 4.1. It says to solve 2x squared plus x minus equals -2. Okay, by graphing. And so what you need to do is you need to look at that and see that it's got an x squared term and an x term and a constant term. And so to be a quadratic equation, we would want it in this form, that standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And so we can easily do that just by adding 2 to both sides. Okay, and then we end up with the 0 on the one side. Okay, we have a positive 2 on the left, okay, along with the x squared and the x term. Okay, and so that's a quadratic equation that we can find the solution to. And we find the solution to the quadratic equation by graphing the quadratic function that has the same form. Right, so let's graph that quadratic function. Okay, there it is. So and it asks us to solve it. So in solving it, we say, how do we find the roots, or where does this equation cross the x-axis? And can you see where this equation crosses the x-axis? Kind of a trick question. It doesn't cross the x-axis, right? And we said in our lesson that a quadratic equation can have two solutions, one solution, or no solutions. And this quadratic equation has no solutions because the quadratic function doesn't cross the x-axis. There are no values of x that will make this equation right here in the middle true. Okay, so this equation and the one that we were given initially, okay, we can say that they have no solution.